thank you, ladies, for joining us. It's awesome to have you. You look beautiful. Is there anyone here who doesn't know what Blue 3 is? Like you've never listened to their music, you don't know who they are. Well, here they are.
Has been ongoing, yeah, for years actually. Yeah, I think about 5 years we've been trying to make this happen.
Okay.
So I would say when I had this year, when I had the conversation, it must have been early in the year, around March, when I heard that the girls were interested in coming together, and then we started having the conversation that led to this actually. We have been communicating before, but the communication of we want to do a concert that was about in March when this, and I remember saying, let me finish this battle that I'm handling, and then we can like step into it and get serious with it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it has been a very big deal for very many Ugandans, including me. One of the people that we used to sneak these stories was Lillian. She would go on Twitter and kuchankanya everyone and type like, guys, the reunion is on. I'd be like, when?
I mean, we had to ruffle the feathers and see what people are feeling about it. It's been a long time since Blue 3 has been on stage together.
Yes.
So just getting feedback from the different social media platforms.
Yes.
Was so interesting.
I can imagine.
Yeah, it was very interesting. I don't think that I've had so much interaction on my social media. Like when I asked people, are you all ready for a Blue 3 reunion?
Yeah.
It was crazy. Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah. And I honestly think
the first thing I was up on my mind is,
we are back.
It's not even about like we're back. I'm like, finally we can see some real good music.
Yeah.
Ooh. That's something for TikTok. Yeah? Tell us.
Yeah, so I was that aside, which is the main thing actually. And I was really happy about the fact that I'm going to be on stage with the girls again. Because the other side, like right from the very beginning, we just had our own different relationship when it came to being on stage. So I was looking forward to that, and I was looking forward to us reconnecting. Because of course there was that time when there was this weird stuff going on and stuff like that. But just us reconnecting, the fact that it was like, yes, let's all do this. Let's do this. It was down.
I love that. Cindy, I've been seeing you in some interviews, some of the conversations you guys have in studio when you're doing music, when you're rehearsing and everything.
Yeah.
And you're looking at the energy, you're like, have these people met themselves for the first time? What's going on? You're excited, like as if you're young girls.
Yeah.
What was that like, considering the fact that you've been solo for a minute and you've been doing this with your band and everything, and now you have like a whole new situation to deal with.
That's true.
What was that like for you?
What I want people to understand is that when I joined Blue 3, I was just making 18. I actually made 18 at our first concert at Blue Africa. Yes, so I was a child, literally. I was coming from Bali. I had no experience with the city. So these girls were like the ones who like hooked me up with the city. Like these are the clubs and these are the coolest people. These girls.
Of the two, who was the leader?
Actually, both of them. I know. Actually, both of them. So for me, it was going back to that child that I was. When I'm in Blue 3, I am the child, and I love it because when I'm the king myself, I'm like at the front line, and I'm leading, I'm fighting. But with Blue 3, I get to sit back and say, okay, yes, okay, and then I'm just the baby. So for me, it was that excitement of going back there. That's why even my energy at the studio with the girls is like a whole different vibe. So for me, that's mostly it.
Lillian, did you notice anything different?
Obviously, we have all gone through so many different stages and things in our lives that have led up to this moment. We are all grown, the voices have matured as well. I think that even musically we have grown in terms of live performances, in terms of, how we present ourselves. It's different from those little girls that we were before. but at the end of the day, we are still the same at heart. Yeah, we're still Blue 3. Yeah, we're still Cindy, still Jackie, still Lydia. Yeah.
Jackie, one of the...
Why do you want to put me in a spot?
It is important.
That part.
It is because you're the one who brought it up. You're the one who said the music of nowadays.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
So please tell us.
The music of these days, yes, it is okay, but with my part, the only problem I have is I just can't listen to it for more than a week.
Okay.
So I just believe it's okay the way it is, but you can just polish it a bit and just give them a manual.
Yeah. Great. So you guys can see that this concert is Wakuru, eh? We're going somewhere else that even I don't know. I love the fire.
Yes, we are. I think we're more than ready. And I can never, you guys know me, I can never get into something which I think I cannot handle at the end of the day. But I think from our first rehearsal, when I sang and then had our perfect harmonies were on my left, on my right, I just knew we were going to kill this.
Nice.
Because in this country of ours, we haven't had a concert that is so full of talent like this one. So I want to... Say, it's just the truth. I knew that we're going to be I feel like it's something that you guys have not seen in a long time. Yeah, so I just knew this is going to work. My worry was that, you know, how before we approached Ali, of course, and then the sponsors and all, I was like, who's going to pay for this? Because Blue 3 is high standards. Blue 3 is always a big budget. You cannot, like push up and compromise here. That cannot happen with the brand Blue 3. That was my only worry. But when we spoke to Ali and this got tag onto it, now we're good to go. Everything is perfect. So to come back to your question, we are ready.
Nice. Around.
I think the first time we performed at, remember when we performed in December? That was, first of all, the indication that, you know, this concert is supposed to happen. Because it was like we had never left. It's like we understood that the music was still nostalgic to us guys who are singing it. So we want to bring that experience as well to everyone. The same way we feel about it, I'm sure everyone feels the same way. If I sing the Sunny Man now, guys go, it's so exciting for us. It's a bit surreal, but I have to pinch myself from time to time and say, wow, we are finally doing this. Yeah.
I love that. Jackie, one thing.
Sometimes I look at myself, I'm like, did you just...
So are there some of those that we should expect on this day, on this great day?
The one thing that I'm going to tell you is that you just need to expect the original Blue 3 and the new Blue 3, because what it is that you saw years ago is what you're going to get. And you're going to see as well a different version of Blue 3 because we are different now. It's so you're going to see everything, like it's a full package.
I love that. Before you guys give your final words, Roy.
My name is Dora Mwima Barak. I'm the proprietor of Queen Ma, where we are dedicated to redefining motherhood. I'm a mother of 6. We believe in Blue 3. That's why we're here today. And we also believe in breaking the stereotypes that women can't come together in harmony and create a memorable experience. We believe you coming together once again and giving us this iconic event means so much to even women like me who grew up seeing you and mimicking, your lyrics. So we are really honored to be part of this event and to see that it's successful, it's memorable, and it's a spectacular reunion. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and we're looking forward to an incredible show.